Are you ready to start our class today?
Ready, sir.
Okay, ya. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon, class.
Afternoon, sir.
How is it going? How are you?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. That's very good. Cool, yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, as usual, before we start our lesson today, our class today, it's better for us to pray together. Please, I want Abinaya to lead the prayer. Please, Abinaya.
Okay, guys, before we start studying today, praying start. Okay, finish.
Okay, thank you, Abinaya. Start by starting with praying. With prayer, we hope our class today will go smooth, and yeah, you can get something from learning today. And then next, I'm going to check the attendance list. As usual, you just say present or me or etc. Abinaya? Abinaya?
Present, sir.
Okay, Aditya?
Present, sir.
Dias?
Present, sir.
Okay. Rafka?
Present, sir.
Rafka? Okay.
Present.
Salsabila?
Present, sir.
Okay. Sandrina?
Present,
Sandrina?
Present, sir.
Sandrina, are you there? Okay, if you turn your camera on, Sandrina, what happened with you?
I'm sorry, sir. I have trouble with my laptop.
Okay, yeah, it's
Am
okay. Okay, yeah, it's okay. You must buy a new one, I guess. Okay. Thank you. All of you are present today. I love this class. I love because English class. Okay, wait a second. I'm going to share the screen to start our lesson today. Yep. Can you see the PowerPoint, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yep. Today, as we had told before, as I had told before, that we are still going to discuss about same text. It's about announcement. Yeah. But today we are going to focus on writing. We are going to focus on writing. But before we do our activities today, I'm going to review the last materials. Announcement is a written or spoken statement in public containing information about an event that has happened or will happen. Yeah, I believe that all of you still remember about the announcement itself. And then the function is used for giving people some information of what has happened or what will happen. That's about the function. Yeah. And then the third one, generic structure. You know that there are at least 3 generic structure in announcement. The first one is stating purpose. Yeah. And then the second one is content. The content must be consist of stating date. Yeah. And then day, time, and also place. Yeah. And then the third one, the generic structure of announcement is informing sender. Yeah. In the end of the part of announcement, you must put the sender in the announcement. Don't forget, when you try to make a short announcement, you must put at least 3 generic structure of announcement. Okay. And then next, it's still in review the material. Can you see the PowerPoint?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yep, as I said before, I believe that you still remember the rule of English class. Yeah, if you are active, it means that you get additional point from me. Now, this is one of the way to increase your point. Okay. I have a short announcement in here, and then you have seen in your own handphone or your laptop. There is a short announcement. It's about going away party. You know that there are 3 boxes here. Okay. Yeah. Think it first. I'm going to ask you to identify and label the structure of the announcement. You know that there are at least 3 kinds of generic structure of announcement. Okay. Yeah. Are you ready to guess the 3 boxes here? Ready? Sudah siap untuk mengguess? Okay. Yeah, I believe that you know the answer or the generic structure of this announcement. Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
First, going away party. What we call it? Okay, yeah. Do you still remember? Just mention.
Starting purpose.
Starting purpose.
Okay, that's very good. I heard 2 of you answer the questions. Yeah, both of you are correct. Yeah, stating purpose. Mention your name. Both of you. I heard 2 of you answer the questions. Salsabila.
Yeah.
Okay, Salsabila and
Bagas.
Bagas. Okay, yeah, I give you points. Salsabila and Bagas. Thank you, Salsabila and Bagas. Okay, let me check the correct answer. Okay, stating purpose, that's the correct. Okay, next. Second part, ready?
Ready.
Okay. What we call school hall, jalan raya, sumur waru, ya, tercicu, sumber anyar, nguling. What do we call it?
Content.
Content.
Okay, yeah, that's very good. Content. Okay, let me check the correct answer. Yeah, content. Content must be consist of day, date, time, and place. That's cool. Correct. Okay, next, the last one. The last one, last box. Okay, what we call Mr. Zaki, and there is a phone number there.
Sender.
Sender. Yeah, that's very good. Informing sender. Okay, very good. Yeah, the correct answer is sender. Okay, thank you. It means that you have an ability in understanding about the text, yeah, the definition, and then the structure, and also, yeah, after you have known all the parts of announcement, yeah, you are going to be easy to make a short announcement, because you know that today we are going to talk about how to make an announcement correctly and shortly. That's very good. Next, as usual, I'm going to tell you about the kompetensi dasar. As usual, yeah, I'm going to use bahasa to deliver this kompetensi dasar. Bapak akan menggunakan bahasa Indonesia ya. Okay, actually there are 2. Ya, ada 2, 3.5 dan 3.4 gitu ya. Membedakan fungsi sosial kita sudah fokus di pertemuan pertama dan kedua kemarin, struktur teks, kemudian unsur kebahasaan dan seterusnya. Kemudian menyusun teks khusus dalam bentuk pemberitahuan. Nah, ini yang menyusun teks ini adalah ya, fokus kita untuk pembelajaran hari ini. Oke. Kemudian indikator yang Bapak buat ada 4 ya untuk pertemuan kali ini. Yang pertama adalah membaca dengan nyaring ya, terkait teks khusus. You know that I have told you before that today I'm going to call you randomly. Bapak akan panggil acak untuk membaca secara nyaring. Oke, and then ya menemukan berbagai informasi. There is a text about announcement, and then you forced to find find some information about the text, gitu ya. Oke. Kemudian menyusun teks lisan tertulis ya mengenai pemberitahuan. Oke. Nah, that's about indikator pencapaian kompetensi. Okay. Next slide. I'm going to give you the drawing of class activity today. Yeah. At the first meeting, you know that announcement. Yeah, you have known about the definition, social function, and language features. And then in the second meeting, we have talked about the kinds of announcement. And then for today, we are going to talk about the activities. The first, analyze the text. Yeah, analyze the text. Nanti Bapak akan kasih teks, and then I ask you to analyze the text, and then create or make an announcement. Okay. Yep. Now, next slide. Can you see the PowerPoint? I'm going to make it bigger.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Can you see it clearly? Can you see it clearly?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yeah. You know that there are 4 questions there. Prepare yourself. Someone who are active will get point. Prepare yourself. Yep. To answer the questions. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Ready.
What kind of announcement is this?
Write an announcement.
A written announcement. That's very good. Correct. Who is answering the questions? Who are you? Your name?
Bagus, sir.
Bagas. Okay, good. I give you points also. Okay, yeah, this is written announcement. Okay, that's cool. Very good. Next questions. Siap-siap. Do you find the something wrong from the text?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There is
Yes.
something wrong.
Yes. Okay. You find something wrong in the text, gitu ya? Okay. Abi. Abi ya. Okay, I give you point, Abi. Very good. Ya, ada yang salah ya. Okay. Do you know what kind of the something wrong in the text?
Itu Pak, seharusnya announcement-nya di atas.
Announcement-nya harus di atas, Pak. Seharusnya.
Okay, yeah. It means that can you rearrange them into the correct text of announcement? Can you rearrange? Okay. That's very good. Announcement tidak mungkin di bawah, ya. Okay, yeah. Yeah, very good. Okay. And then announcement. The second part is which one?
Quiz nya kayak di bawah deh, Pak.
Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, what do we call it? Okay, yeah. Please be guided. Itu paling bawah, and then
tanggalnya ngacak, Pak.
Tanggal 13-nya harusnya di atas.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, that's very good. Nah, this is the correct structure of the announcement. That's very good. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Okay, good. It means that you can rearrange the text, yeah, into a correct form. Okay, that's very good. Okay. The last questions, have you ever made the announcement before? Pernah bikin announcement sebelumnya?
Oh, sir. Not yet.
Yes.
Okay, it means that it will be your first time to try to make a short announcement. I believe that it is not as difficult as you think, yeah, because announcement is not too difficult. It's only a short sentence. So, yeah, kita akan bahas bersama. Gampang kok. Okay, now next slide. as we have made deal before, that today there will be some students who try to read the text loudly. Ready? I'm going to call you randomly. Maybe ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm going to offer you. Who will be the first? Who will be the first? I'm going to give you additional point. Someone who wants to be the first, I'm going to give you additional point. Who will be the first?
Salsa.
Salsa, Salsa, yeah, I saw you, Salsa, Salsa, that's good. Salsa, okay, please.
Announcement. On June 13, 2019, the grade 11 learners may wear their civilian attire and must observe proper school dress code. The grade 12 learners must wear their complete school uniform type A. On June 14, 2019, both grade 11 and grade 12 learners must wear their complete PE uniform. Please be guided.
Okay, cool, yeah. From other students, maybe you have any corrections to Salsa's? Okay, I am so sorry because I have trouble with my connections. All of you are still in here, ya? Semuanya masih di sini ya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm so sorry because you must wait for me for a long. Yeah, I guess the recording is still in progress, so we can continue our learning today. Okay, wait a second. I'm going to try to share the screen again. Okay, Salsa tadi ya, sudah Salsa ya. That's very good, Salsa. Thank you for, for read the announcement loudly. That's very good, cool of you. Next, who wants to try to read the announcement loudly?
Dea.
Yeah, okay, good. Dea. Yes, please, Dea.
Announcement. 1 June 13. Aduh, Pak, sebentar, Pak.
Okay, don't be shy to speak. Don't be shy to speak. If you find any difficulties, just make it clear, yeah. Make it clear your pronunciation. That's it. Okay, Dea, please.
Pak, boleh di Zoom lagi nggak, Pak?
Okay, wait a second. Okay, can you see it?
Udah, Pak.
Okay, come on.
Announcement. 1 June 13.
2019.
2019, the grade 11 learners may wear their
Civilian.
civilian attire and must observe for
Proper school. Yeah.
dress code. The grade 2000 learners must wear their complete school uniform type A.
Type A.
Type A.
Okay.
On June 14, 2000, both grade 11 and grade 2000 learners must
Where?
wear their complete A uniforms.
Okay. Yeah. Please be guided. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. There, I give you points also there. Good. Yeah. Nice. Try. Nice try. Yeah. There are some corrections, pronunciation corrections. Yeah. There, you need to have more practice in pronunciation, in reading, in speaking. Also, there are Ya, tadi ada beberapa kesalahan ya. There are some mistakes. Not must, but must. And then not but, tapi both. Oke, both ya. Not one, tapi on. On June gitu ya. Oke. That's good deh. Thank you deh.
Pak. Ngeblur tadi, Pak.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm sorry because maybe yeah, it's because of the connections. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Next slide. Next activity. Hang on, please. Yep. Now it's time to work with your students group. Yeah, we have made before. There are 3 groups. Yeah, I'm going to make a breakout rooms. Before you move to your own breakout rooms, I'm going to send the learning activity. Yeah, there are 2 learning activity here in breakout room. You must do the learning activity 1. Okay, I have sent this learning activity in WhatsApp group. You may open your own WhatsApp group. Yeah, and then discuss with your friends in your group, your own group. Group 1 with your group, and then 2 with your group 2, and then 3 for your 2 group your 3. Okay. In learning activity 1, there is an announcement. There is an announcement. It's about going away party, and then there are 5 questions. 5 questions. The questions is related to the announcement. Okay, you with your own group try to answer the questions 1 to 5 in PowerPoint. Yeah, I have sent the learning activity 1 and 2 in WhatsApp group, and 3 also. You just open it, and then in breakout room you must discuss the answer the questions 1 to 5 together with your friends. Do you understand about the learning activity 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yep, that's
Understand.
very good. You just only make a PowerPoint like this, ya. Jadi nanti dikopikan saja. Bapak sudah kirim learning activity-nya, nanti tinggal di copy-in saja. And then try to find the best answer, number 1 to 5. Okay, and then the learning activity 2, yeah. Rearrange this announcement. I have a short announcement here. Yeah, I have a short announcement here. Then there are jumble sentence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your work with your group is only to place the correct sentence in correct place. For example, announcement in up part gitu ya. Jadi announcement misalnya di bagian paling atas. Ya. You just move like this here. For example, or in the bottom of the part on the paper. Okay. And then for example, ED committee maybe in the center yeah, in the center of the part on the paper, for example. Okay. Do you understand the learning activity too?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this, I'm going to make breakout rooms. Yeah. Do learning activity 1 and learning activity 2. And then I'm going to control you by sign in your own group. Yeah. Group 1, I'm going to move to group 1, and then I'm going to move to group 2. You must discuss the answer of learning activity 1 and 2 in your breakout rooms. Ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, yeah. After finish learning activity 2 and yeah, after finishing learning activity 1 and 2, yeah, you must go out from the breakout rooms first, and then I'm going to give you learning activity 3. That's the point of our learning today. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Okay. Wait a second, I'm going to make a breakout rooms. Don't forget room 1 for group 1, room 2 for group 2, and room 3 for group 3. Okay, can you see the breakout rooms in your laptop or in your handphone?
Belum, Pak.
Belum, Pak.
Okay, can you see it now?
Oke.
Ya,
Oke.
Pak.
Okay. Please choose your own group. Okay, is it group 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's very good. You have opened the learning activity 1, 2, and 3 WhatsApp group. Okay, please discuss the answer number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, yeah, with your group.
Yes, sir. What is announcement about?
Yeah, do you understand the meaning of the questions? Group 2, do you understand the meaning of the questions?
Yes, sir.
Ya, paham ya? Oke, coba. What is the answer of number 1? Okay, cool. Yep. Okay, it is an announcement about. Okay, that's good. Going. No. Going away. Nah, that's good. Cool. Yep. Okay. Very good. Continue your discussion. If you have any problem, just ask me. Yeah. After this, I'm going to move to group 3, and then I'm going to go back to your own group. Nanti Bapak akan lanjut ke grup kalian. Silakan lanjut ke grupnya ya. Yep. Is it group 3? Is it group?
Iya, Pak.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Have you got the learning activity 1, 2, and 3 in WhatsApp group? Have you got it? Sudah dapat? Yes. Say yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's your time to discuss with your group by sharing the screen like you did before. Yeah. Just the leader of this group share the screen. Okay. Nah, okay, bagus. And then discuss the answer of the questions number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. You just need to open the PowerPoint that I have shared in WhatsApp group actually. Okay, please do it. I'm going to try to control group 1. Bapak akan ke group 1 dulu. Nanti Bapak ke sini lagi, kalian sudah hampir selesai ya. Please discuss with your own group.
Oke, nomor 2. Oke, lanjut aja.
Yang learning activity 2.
Okay, yeah, you move to learning activity. That's very good. Group 1.
3 is one.
First.
First.
1, 3. Jawabannya apa ya?
Yang pertama 3
Yang
announcement ya.
pertama 3.
Iya, announcement.
Kalau nomor 2
Okay, cool.
itu jawabannya kalau nggak salah.
Nomor 2-nya 1 ya. 1 bukan sih?
Satu dah satu. Iya benar satu.
Iya, 1 benar. Right.
Yang ketiga itu susunannya
Terus yang ketiga itu
55.
Emang 5 ya?
Iya, 3 kali. Iya. Yang susunan ketiga itu 5.
5, benar.
Terus yang nomor nomor 4 itu berarti
Berarti
yang
nomor
2 ya?
Iya, 2.
Dua.
Terakhir
Nomor
yang 4.
Oke,
Good. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you did well. Okay, finish. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Dirapikan. I'm going to check the group 2's work. Bapak akan cek kerjaan grup 2. Good. Nice work. Okay, group 2. Okay, that's very good. You move to learning activity 2. Please continue. Okay, discuss with your friend.
Arifin.
Ya, bibitnya kelima.
Kenapa Bang?
Enggak.
Sure? Is that correct? Sure? Sure with your answer? Yakin ya?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Good work. Okay, it means that you've finished learning activity 1 and learning activity 2. That's very good. I'm going to move to group 3 to check their work. Thank you. Setelah ini kita akan ke main room dulu ya. After this,
Yes, sir.
after this we must move to main room. Okay, wait, hang on please. Room 3. Group 3, have you finished?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. I'm going to close the breakout rooms and then we must move to main room. I'm going to tell you about how to do the learning activity 3. Okay, hang on please. Okay, can you access me?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened with the school Wi-Fi. I don't know. Biasanya lancar, nggak tahu nih Bapak hari ini kok begini. Bapak sudah keluar ada 3 kali keluar tadi. I'm so sorry. Okay, group 1, I want to ask you again. Group 1, group 2, and group 3, have you done your work in learning activity 1 and 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm done.
Yes.
We are done.
That's good. Wait a second, I'm going to share the screen again. We move to learning activity 3. It's time to write, it's time to create an announcement text through the topic, the themes below with your group.
Stop.
Okay. Yep. The correct generic structure of announcement. You must remember, and then time August 2021. Your on group, and then for the related additional information discussed with your group. Do you understand? Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take a breakout room again. Yeah, to discuss, to make, to create, to write a short announcement based on the theme below. Okay, and then for group 2, remember listen to me. Yeah, the topic is about
PJ
PJ's
English
English Club will hold the speech competition. Yeah, PJ's English Club, Klub Bahasa Inggris PJ will hold the speech competition. You must know the content. The content sender is Aldo as the head of PJ's English Club. Time August 2021. Okay, place school hall to all students. Agenda discuss and then etc. Related additional information discussed with your group. Okay, for group 3, attention please. Group 3, the topic is the election of new head of OSIS. Okay, this is the topic. And then the content sender Aldi. Aldi is as the head of, okay? Yeah, please Zoom meeting to all students, and then agenda discussed with your group. Related additional information discuss with your group also. Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to make a breakout. Group 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you ready to discuss? Because this is the challenge, you know that writing is a productive skills. This is a little bit difficult than listening and reading, I guess. So you need to focus to make a short announcement. Okay, please share the screen. I'm going to see how the way you discuss with your group to make a short announcement. Share screen, please.
Son. Ini Q.
Okay, yeah. Write down your name. Don't forget to write down your name. Group 1 member's name.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And then don't forget to copy and paste the topic that I have given to you. Okay, while waiting for the preparation, I'm going to move to group 2 to check their work. That's very good. Don't forget to discuss with your friend about the how to create an announcement correctly. Good. Okay, I'm going to move to group 2. Okay, group 2. Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah. Okay, is it done? Sudah selesai?
Sudah, Pak.
Oh,
Sudah, Pak.
cool. That's very good. To all of SMK, okay. To all students of SMK, okay. Okay. Okay, that's very good. Okay, yeah. Do you have any difficulties in forming the announcement? Do you have any difficulties? You may ask me in Bahasa. Do you find any difficulties? Ada kesusahan? Nanya aja.
No, sir.
Which one? Just ask me. No? Tidak ada?
No.
No.
Tidak ada, Pak.
Tidak ada ya. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay. While waiting for others group, because group 1 and group 3, they are still in process to finish the task, the learning activity 3. While waiting for others, please check your work again. Yeah, maybe if you have something to add, just add in your announcement, because this is yeah, it's enough, I guess, the simple announcement. But if you want to give any information or additional information about the competition, you may add in your announcement, in your own announcement. Okay, jadi kalau ada yang mau ditambahkan masih boleh yang ditambahkan gitu ya. Okay, that's very good. Yep. Okay. I'm going to move to group 3. I'm going to check their work. Thank you, group 2.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hello. Group, nah, that's cool. Okay, that's like I want. Okay. Yep. Okay, very good. I want to see your work. Please go to slide 4. Please go to slide 4. Sandrinas, go to slide 4.
Sen.
Iya.
Okay, yeah, have you finished? Sudah selesai ya?
Ya, Pak.
Yes, sir.
Finish.
I'm going to read fast.
Yes, sir.
When our school will hold school anniversary, there will be pentas seni on August. Okay, yeah, that means to, okay. Yeah, while waiting for others group, yeah, you have done well, I guess. But if you have something to add about the additional information, please add in your announcement. Jadi kalau ada yang mau ditambahkan informasi terkait dengan school anniversary, silakan ditambahkan, nggak apa-apa. Ya.
Enggak. Kakak kamera lagi.
Okay, yeah, good. Okay, suggestion, yeah. I suggest you to bold all the sentence. You know that August to 11 p.m. Yeah. You must make it bold also, and then maybe the size of announcement bigger than other. It's only a suggestion. Okay, that's very good. Okay, I'm going to try to check others group. Thank you for group 2.
Bye.
You did well. Have you done your work?
Sir. Done.
Okay, cool. Group 2. Finish.
Finish, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. Group 3. Have you done it?
Finish.
Okay, that's very good. Okay. Wait a second. I'm going to share the screen again. Okay. Now it's time to present your work. As usual, I'm going to call you group 1, group 2, and group 3. There are 3 activities that you must present. Yeah, activity 1, activity 2, learning activity 1, learning activity 2, and learning activity 3. Okay.
Iya, Pak.
Yeah. I saw in breakout room that all of you have done well, have a good job to finish learning activity 1, 2, and 3. That's very good. And then in presenting time, yeah, I want to ask other groups. I want to ask group 1, 2, and 3 to give any response if you find any mistakes or any problem with your friend's presentation. Okay, are you ready to present?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I
Thank you,
believe.
sir.
Okay, that's very good. I believe each group have a leader to lead the presentations. That's very good. Okay, wait a second. I'm going to stop the share screen. Okay, please group 1, share the screen. We wanna see your work. Group 1 first, and then group 2.
Okay, group 1 will do presentation. Share screen sebentar.
Okay, Sandrina, please move to learning activity 1. That's very good. Silakan, please lead the presentation.
Okay. Group 1 will do the presentation starting from me. In learning activity 1, what is the announcement about apa ini? Apa yang masuk? It is an announcement about going away party. Dan nomor 2, what is the purpose of the announcement? Ya, purpose it is to give information to student to join to going away party. And number 3, when will the party take place? It will be held Friday, October 17, 2019. And number 4, where will the party take place? It will take in the school hall. And number 5, who is the reader of the announcement? The reader is Mr. Zaki. Okay. And will be continued by Herlinda.
Okay, next slide. Okay. The correct order is first number 3 is announcement berada di atas, and then number 1, then trust number 5, and then number 2, and finally number 4. And lanjut ke next buat Sandrina.
Write a short announcement. Our school will hold school anniversary. There will be pentas seni on August 5th, 2021 from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Don't miss to come to school. Head of Commit, Mr. Alfred. Thank you.
Okay. Done, sir. Finish.
Okay, finish. That's very good. Yep. No, don't close the share screen because we are going to discuss about your work together. Sandrina, please share the screen again. Okay. Yeah. We want to see the slide 1 first. We want to see the slide 1 first. Okay. Slide 1. Please move to slide 1. Okay. Slide 1. Can you hear me? Please move to slide 1, Sandrina. Sandrina, move to slide 1. Hello. Sandrina, do you hear me? Yeah, okay. That's...
Kayaknya wifi saya error nih, Pak.
Okay, you have a problem with your connections like me. Okay, yeah. It's okay, it's okay. For group 2 and group 3. For group 2 and group 3, maybe you have any additional or any group 1's answer, number 1 to 5. Okay, yeah. Okay, announcement is about going away party. That's very good. And then the purpose is to give information to students to join the going away party. Cool. And then it will be held on Friday. Yeah, cool. And then the 4, well, will the party take place? School hall. That's very good. Who is the writer? Mr. Zaki. Cool. Okay. Very good. Next, slide 2. Slide 2. Please move to slide 2, Sandrina. Okay. Yep. Announcement is in upper of the paper. That's cool. And then ED committee. Yeah, at the bottom of the paper, that's very good. At least announcement the place is upper the paper gitu ya. Jadi paling tidak kamu tahu oh, announcement di bagian atas and then ED committee di bagian bawah. That's cool. And then number 1 the registrations. Okay. Yeah, that's very good. For group 2 and group 3, maybe you have any additional information or any corrections for group 1's presentations? Say yes if you have. Say no if you have. No. No.
No.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Sandrina, please next to slide 4. Oh, slide 4. Slide 4. Okay, yeah. This is the announcement that have been made by Group 1. Announcement: our school will hold school anniversary. There will be a pentaseni on August 15th, 2021 from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay, don't miss to come to school. Of committee, Mr. Alfred. Text here, maybe group 1, group 2 and group 3. Give any response or corrections?
Ada salahnya itu, Pak.
Okay, that's good, Arifin. In which part?
Salahnya di pentas seni, harusnya performing at festival.
Okay, performing
At festival.
art. Okay, yeah, performing art festival. Okay, for group 1. Yeah. Pentas seni is bahasa, I guess. Yeah, you must translate pentas seni into English. That's very good. Arifin Ilham, I give you points for your group 3, right?
Itu Pak yang di
Okay.
jamnya.
Pentas seni should okay, replaced with apa tadi Arifin?
Hah? Patah-patah
Pentas
suara.
seni. Okay, ya. Pentas seni should be replaced by pentas seni harusnya apa?
Performing at festival.
Okay, performing at festival. Okay, that's very good. Okay. Yeah. Next, maybe you have any corrections for others?
Itu yang di
Group 2
yang
and
di jam,
group
Pak.
3. Okay, yeah, jam. Okay, time ya. What happened with the time?
Itu
Do you
aturan
find any mistakes?
8 AM.
Okay, AM not PM. Okay, yeah, correct. That's very good. PM, not PM, but AM. Okay, that's good. Enough? Enough? Cukup ya?
Yes,
Iya,
sir.
Pak.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Sandrina. Please stop the share screen. Okay, please group 2 present your work. Group 2 present your work.
Sudah kelihatan belum, Pak?
Okay, cool. Sudah. Okay, please.
Friends, here group 2 wants to present the work in our group. Number 1 will be answered by Anissa.
What is this announcement about? It is an announcement about going away party. Will be conducted by Arifin.
Number 2. What is the purpose of the announcement? It is to give information to students to join the going away party.
Oke, udah langsung slide berikutnya. Salsa langsung learning activity ya. Learning activity. Nah, oke.
The first question is answered by Anissa. Answer.
The first order is number 3 announcement. will be continued by Arifin.
This announcement is sent Temat PJ
The second,
English class.
LA2.
Oh, LA2. The second order is number 1.
5. Iya benar.
The next will be Faura.
The third order is number 5. Will be continued by Rafka.
Oke, dah lanjut ke slide berikutnya. Yang learning activity 3. Oke, Salsa, pimpin.
This is the result of group 2 discussion about the announcement text.
Nang.
First, Anissa.
First, there is the word announcement. Then this announcement is for our students. Next, Arifin.
The next this announcement is Temat PJ. English club will hold the space competition. Next.
Faura.
Next, there is a date August 18, 2021 at 8 p.m. Class in school hall, and for registration is Ani.
Sekian dari kelompok 2. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Terima kasih.
Salsa, are you freezing?
Yes,
Salsa. Okay, see, thank you. Maybe from any addition to group 2. Salsa, please move to slide 2. We are going to see learning activity 1. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I want to slide 3. Slide 3. Move to slide 3, Salsa. Move to slide 3, Salsa. Okay. Yeah, what is announcement about is, it is an announcement about going away party. Going away party, that's very good. Purpose to give information to student to join going away party. That's very good. Cool. Okay, slide 4. Please move to slide 4. I want to see your answer, your work. Okay, what is, hang on. Okay, announcement, that's very good. Announcement is in upper of the paper. And then, yeah, the registration of, okay, very good. Only candidates, okay, very good. Okay, good. Yeah, the last slide, I want to see learning activity 3. Okay, maybe from group 1 and 3, do you have any corrections for group 2's presentation? Do you find
Itu
any
tema.
mistakes? Okay,
Tema
very good.
speech-nya nggak ada, Pak.
Okay, yeah. Okay, for group 2, you must add the topic of the speech competition. Okay, Salsa, Faura, Anissa ya. You must add the topic also. Topiknya bisa apa? What topic must be in speech competition? What topic may be in
Global warming, Pak.
Topiknya global warming. Okay, that's very good. Yeah, and then jobless maybe, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's very good. Speech competition. Okay, very good. Next, maybe you have any corrections from group 2 and group 3?
Seharusnya time-nya itu 8 AM bukan PM.
Okay, cool. Yeah, not PM but AM because 8 in the morning. Yeah, if you write 8 PM, it means that 8 at night. Oke, jadi kalau pagi IM, kalau malam PM gitu ya. Oke, cool. Thank you for group 2. Give applause to group 2. Good. Good job. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, please turn your camera on. Okay, that's all for the presentation. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3, all of you have a good presentation. Don't forget now, upload your work in Google Classroom. I have opened the link in Google Classroom. You may open your own Google Classroom and then collect your Google Classroom based on your own group. Okay, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, it's time to give reflections. Okay, get ready. Okay, how do you feel after studying the material? Write in the chat room here now. I give you for the five fastest students. Yeah, I give the 5 fastest students who answer the questions number 1. Please write now. Okay, cool. Yeah, let me check it. Okay, yep. Enjoy, Rafka, Bagas, cool. Okay, thank you. That's very good. Yeah, what did you learn about just now?
Oh, reading about
Writing announcement.
Writing announcement. That's very good. Cool. Okay, yeah. Now after this lesson, you will be able to make an announcement text. I believe it. Yeah, it is very important for you when you have a job after graduating from vocational school. Yeah, when you are asked by your company to make an announcement, I believe that you are able to make an announcement shortly. Yeah, in English. That's very good. Cool. And then there is a formative test. I have sent the link in Google Classroom. You just click the link here. I have sent this link in Google Classroom and then do the formative test. Formative test is like a competency test. Yeah. The material is about announcement. There are only 10 questions there. You just click it after this lesson in your own home and then answer the questions. All the questions are multiple choices. Okay. And then for the next meeting, please find a text about how to make something in magazine or internet. It must be hard copy. Okay. For the next meeting, just prepare a hard copy of a text. The text is about how to make something. Yeah, how to make something. You can find how to make a food, how to make certain food, how to make certain beverage or others. Okay. Okay, that's very good. It's enough for today. Thank you for joining this meeting. Thank you for joining this class. I hope all of you can get something to learn today. I hope all of you can write an announcement shortly and correctly. That's enough. Thank you for close the class today. Please, Abinaya, lead the prayer. Abinaya, please lead the prayer.
Okay, guys. Before we close study today, spring start. Finish.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for Abinaya to lead the pray. Last I say, see you next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.